All right, you guys, let's see here. I'm going to show you how to find the length of an arc given the information in each diagram. So the length of an arc is this guy. It's this distance, and this distance, it's the bold distance. Okay, follows the edge of the circle. Length is part of the circumference. You can always kind of figure out which part of the circumference based on the central angle here. So this is 60 degrees out of a total 360. So if you're finding the circumference of a circle, what's typical, like we just worked on, is to use the circumference formula. So hopefully it makes sense that the length of an arc is the same as the circumference, but for part of the circle. In this case, it's 63/60ths times the diameter, times the circumference, which is pi times the diameter. Okay, so if I fill in my information here, this reduces to 1/6 pi. Here we have a radius of 12, so the diameter is 24. 24 divided by 6 is 4 pi, the length of that arc. Be careful on this guy over here because the central angle that's given, 120, goes with this arc, minor arc. So that means this central angle is 240 degrees. So that's a big hint for you. Okay, and then the common one that everybody wants to know about is this part right here, this C. So again, give myself a little bit of room here. Part C, this is 4C. The length of the arc is the central angle, theta over 360 times pi times the diameter. So what's given to me is the length of that arc, right? So I'm going to call this side y because we're really going to be working with that arc. So what's given is the length, 30 pi. What's not given is the central angle. In this case, it's y over 360 times pi, just bring it straight down. And then the diameter is twice the radius, or 36. So then here, 36 over 360 reduces to 1 over 10. So when I rewrite, I get 30 pi is equal to y over 10 pi. Divide both sides by pi, they're going to cross out. 30 is equal to y over 10. Multiply both sides by 10 to get the value of y. So y is equal to 300 degrees, which means that x plus y, or x plus 300, encompasses the whole circle, 360. So x is 60 degrees.